Hey there, Justin Fleming here with Chin McQuaid Fleming Harris with another update for you. As we just finished up July 2023, we're rolling into August, and our summer's getting away from us, but wanted to make sure you all had access to information about what's happening in the real estate market here in Park City area. First and foremost, our market is very, very segmented. And I'll give you some numbers here momentarily, but that's the biggest story of our current market is we are very segmented, and understanding the nuances from neighborhood to neighborhood is a really big part of being able to understand this market. So kind of looking back this now to call it July of 2019. Right now the MLS has residential listings of about 1,065. Back in July of 2019 we had 1,301. So we're down 18%. We have 82% of the total inventory we used to have, which is fine. You know, we're still coming back up. It's still increasing overall throughout this year. When I take a look at Park City proper, basically if you're familiar with the area, it's from, call it the White Barn Inn. Park City proper currently has 130 listings in the area. Compare that to July of 2019, there was 345. So we are down by over 60% of inventory in Park City limits. You expand that out and you look at just the Snyderville Basin. So that's kind of the area between the White Barn and as you drop into the valley of Park City here. Currently we have 306 residential listings. Back in July of 2019, there was 477. So yet again, we're down about 36%. And then you look at the remainder of the MLS, we currently have 629 additional listings across the rest of the entire MLS. And that's really kind of the surrounding area. Some of those are actually in Salt Lake, a lot of them in Wasatch County, and in the neighborhoods surrounding and outside of Park City. Currently 629. In July of 2019, there's actually only 479. So inventory is actually up 31% in the areas outside of Park City limits and Snyderville Basin. A big part of that is we've had a lot of growth in construction that's happened, and so that plays into that there are more residential listings in general in those areas, but as a proportion, we're overall in 4 short years, our inventory is up by 31% in those areas. So then I thought, okay, well, let's take a look at our absorption rates back comparing now to 2019. When 2019, we had a very balanced market and it was nice and healthy. We had currently the absorption rate across the entire MLS, Park City MLS, is 7.4 months, meaning it would take 7.4 months to be able to use up all of the inventory we had, assuming the current trends. In July of 2019, that was 6.95. So very similar. I thought it'd be interesting to take a look at that for this month and just compare that to Park City limits, since there's such a shortage of inventory within Park City limits. So currently across the entire MLS, it is 7.4 months, but just within Park City limits, it's 4.7 months. You take a look at the shortage of inventory and the shorter absorption rate, you know, you can really see why our prices are holding steady. We are seeing the occasional price adjustment just to be able to kind of bring the property back in line with where it should be, rather than always setting record new highs. So, you know, if you'd like to understand more about our any particular neighborhood, feel free to reach out to myself, to anybody on the team. We'd love to dive in with you and help you understand all of the nuances that are within our Park City real estate market. Hope you have a good one. You take care.